Dave Asprey, the founder of Bulletproof Coffee, has invented a new coffee, and this is called Danger Coffee. Today we will see how Danger Coffee is different from Bulletproof Coffee and how it is different from normal coffee. So let's begin. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma and today we'll discuss Danger Coffee, Dave Asprey's new invention, and we'll be sharing many recipes with this Danger Coffee, both in the form of cold coffee as well as in the form of warm coffee. So stay tuned because we will be uploading the new coffee recipes soon, so stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. If you want to buy this coffee, you can use the link given below in the description box. You will get 10% off on ordering through link. You can also get it from our clinic because my friend came from America. I told her to get me as many Danger coffees as possible. But we have limited stock, so order soon before the stock depletes. So coming to the difference between the Danger coffee and the normal coffee. First of all, after drinking the normal coffee, you will feel a 3 p.m. crash. That 3 p.m. crash is because when you take that coffee, you have an energy spike, and as the day goes by, your energy dips, and by 3 p.m. you are dead tired and you want to sleep and you cannot understand or do anything. But this will not be the case when you drink Danger coffee. Do try it, let me know. Do you experience the 3 p.m. crash or not? Secondly, and most importantly, Danger coffee is mold free. Every country in the world has set some levels of mold that are acceptable in that country. This coffee, however, is totally mold free because once you get mold, even a tiny amount of mold, it will have some side effects. The most important mold that is in the coffee produces a toxin called Toxin A. This Toxin A is very harmful for your kidneys, and that's why when you drink normal coffee you have to pee because your body wants to get rid of that toxin, isn't it? But this is 100% mold free organic coffee. Thirdly, this coffee is direct from the farm. Let's see what Dave Asprey himself has to say about this coffee.
Danger Coffee is Rainforest Alliance certified, made by small producers who don't use spray, and it's lab tested using my latest standards for toxins. And we had a high dose of trace anionic minerals that themselves can bind to toxins and will remineralize your body.
Fourthly, this coffee will never give you something called coffee jitters. You must have experienced once you drink normal coffee, you have jitters. You feel anxious. You are shouting on your kids, you are fighting with your boss, you are very anxious, you are not feeling very good because you have taken all those toxins. Since this is a mold free, pesticide free, insecticide free organic coffee, that's why you don't experience all those things when you take this coffee. Fifthly and most importantly, this coffee, Danger Coffee, has 50 plus trace minerals and ultra trace minerals. These trace minerals, you don't even know that you need them. But if you feel fatigued, you are having muscle cramps, or you are having unexplained headaches, all these means your body is deficient in electrolytes and minerals. And this coffee will give you electrolytes as well as minerals. So this is not just a simple cup of coffee. Basically, it is organic, it is chemical free, mold free, no harmful chemicals or toxins. Plus there is something very beneficial which are trace minerals. And these trace minerals help to detoxify also. They will nullify the harmful effects of any other toxin that you have taken. Plus all these minerals are bioabsorbable because they are from fulvic and humic acids, which were plant based and they got dissolved over time into the soil. So this is what you'll be getting in this packet of coffee. And this coffee is different from the Bulletproof coffee in the sense that Bulletproof coffee gives you energy throughout the day, then you don't have to take anything else. And this coffee, basically it gives you minerals. So this is the current price of this coffee. As you can see, this is without delivery charges. And the thing is, you are not getting only coffee, okay? You are getting a load of minerals and you are detoxifying yourself from all the toxins you have taken over the years. So let me know, did you feel any difference when you took Danger Coffee as compared to your normal coffee that you take every day? Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.